Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So I just got my Yayoge polygel kit, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video for it. So here's the instructions, and you do get everything you need for a kit. So you got your base coat, I just dropped the top coat, here's the top coat. You also get your free polygel, so you got a white, you got a translucent pink, and you get a natural clear. Now I haven't opened these yet, so I don't know what they look like. You get your slip solution, which is isopropyl alcohol, so that's all good. You do get 3 brushes. You also get a cuticle pusher and a 100-180 grit file, which is alright. There's a cuticle pusher. It looks pretty good. I've got some, so I'm not worrying about it. I've got these brushes with it, and I bought one of them brushes the other day, so they're quite nice brushes. I tried them with a different gel section. So right, what else in the box is you get such a cute little lamp. Oh my god. Right, so first, I'm trying to do this with a selfie stick because I can't bother to set up everything just to do a quick video, because I've got to set everything up to do my nails. Right, so you get your forms, your pop-it forms. I've got others, so I'm not too bothered, but I'm going to give these a go. I'm going to do a set tonight and see how they look, because my nails look proper ropey, boy. But here, I want to show you the cutest little lamp. I got so excited because it's so cute. It's tiny. It fits. I'll tell you, it can fit in your handbag. It can fit in your back pocket, because I don't like carrying a handbag. Everything, all the information is on the back. It comes with a USB lead, which is pretty good, so you can plug it into anything. And it also comes with instructions as well. Whoops, upside down. Right, user manual. So let's get this out of the bag. Look, see, proper dodgy camera woman work there. So here it is. Isn't it cute? It's so sweet. It's got his little feet. I mean, with the way the holes are in the feet, you could just quickly turn it on and hold it over the hand instead of resting it on a table. It doesn't matter. But I picked the pink one. You can get a white one or a pink one, but I just brought a white one. So I'm also looking on the instructions on how to do the settings, because it doesn't tell you the timer on it. It's just got an on and off button. But if you look on the instructions, it will tell you how to use it and turn it on and off. So, yeah, look, see, I thought I'd give you a quick reading. So there you go. Tells you how to do it. Right, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button, press like, and I shall see you in another video. Ta-da!